Alright, so what we're doing today is putting on a strut kit from MRT Engineered Performance. Basically it gets rid of the prop rod on the hood on Myrtle. It's a 98 Mustang Gt. So it's really pretty quick and simple. All we're going to do is unbolt the bolts there, and then you put the other bracket down there. This is a 10mm, this is a 8mm. So we probably can get away with doing this with one person, but it's easier with two. So that way he can hold the hood while we take this off and then put the bracket on. You got that hood, Zach? Yep. And eventually we're thinking about painting the entire engine bay black. So that's why we're not painting these to match the car. It's funny, we're using the big ratchet for the 8mm, and a baby ratchet for the 10. Lift the hood up. It's just being stupid. Alright, so what we've got to do first is take off the top nut on the hood hinge. You take that one all the way off. Then on the fender, so the top was a 10mm, the fender's an 8mm. Set that in there. Bang your camera around a couple times. It's always a good time. Alright, now hopefully this will work. Pop that on there. Pivot that guy, good gracious. Oh, golly. Up a little bit, right there. Voila. Now let's see if it'll shut. Prop right back to where it's supposed to be. Okay, so that's it.